For the past year, there's been a lot of work between finance, procurement, payroll, HR, just getting this project to be ready to roll out.
When we initially started, it was more about chart of accounts and trying to do something so that we could keep up with the state requirements. But as we kept going down the path, it was like, this is not about finance, this is not about budgeting, this is more about making the experience better for the entire district.
We want to make people's jobs easier, we want to streamline, we want to reduce the manual workload that's out there, we want to automate as much as we can.
So if you're not spending a whole bunch of time trying to order something or trying to pay for something or trying to get supplies for your campus or trying to enter payroll for your campus or your department, if you're not having to spend a lot of time doing that, then you can repurpose that time to the teaching and learning.
It's going to affect every SAP user. Some people it'll be a minimal effect. Some people it's going to be, dramatic. They've been using PeopleSoft and now they're going to be underneath SAP.
I really think that our employees are now going to have a little bit more capabilities to do things on their own through employee self-service.
All that information regarding if you want to change your banking account number or your W-4 or something like that, you're in one system and all of that will play out in the finance or within HR.
The biggest thing is the data is all shared within one system. And so timeliness of information, we don't have to worry about nightly uploads and nightly downloads.
There'll be one login, all the information that they need that's relevant to their job is in one system, and so the integration's already there. The speed in which they're able to get data because of the workflow that's built into the system will be there. Generally, when we do changes, we just think about, okay, we're going to implement the application and then we're going to train people how to use it and move on. Well, we don't want that kind of environment in this one.
When you come in and tell somebody that they're going to have to fundamentally abandon everything that they've done and do it completely different, you have to respect that emotional curve that they have to go through. So that's why we've really brought in a change management organization. They deal with this emotional side. They deal with mentally preparing you for how to do this.
This is a big district, it's a big project, and in order for us to make sure that we have the communication in place that's needed to roll this out, it's important that we have our employees out at different campuses and different departments helping us to get the word out about what is this big SAP project.
The Change Agent Network really is our way to have champions at every location who understand the why we're doing this. They have the connection to the internal project team.
We're going to make sure that we provide information to those change agents so that they can go back and make sure that their campus or their department knows what's going on with this reimplementation, what's going on with how it's going to affect them, where the training is, who needs to be at the training, those type of things, so that everybody can be comfortable by that go-live date.
We really value our employees and what they have to say, and in order to roll out a project like this, we can't do this without them. They're a big part of it.